Now as I step over those rocks, I'm going over to a little spot out of the wind over here. Very overgrown track. It's a low tide, it's a run up tide right now. Tide's running up. And I'm gonna be going and fishing this little rock over here because it suits this wind. Right now I've got a little 3.75 inch flick bait, and off camera while I was walking down I flicked a tiny little opening and nailed a flatty on this. Jesus, Mozzie's galore in here. And nailed a little flatty. I've went the long way to it in here. But Mozzie's galore. I'm gonna be walking out here and just run up tide and flicking this little edge over here. Big long casts. And I have a little 2.5 inch grub in my pocket to flick on after this. And maybe, just maybe a trevally, bream, or a flathead up on this flat over here, I'm hoping. A trevally would be nice because they fight well. On the Georges River today. And that flatty that I got off camera would have been, oh, I was a hit there. Yep, wrong, flatty. Just as I was saying, that flatty that I got off camera would have been about 60 centimeters. And this thing is, I'm assuming it's a flatty just by the hit. But he tried to go along the mangroves there. Big tail baits. It's not going to be a bad fish, this one, I think. It's going to be a good fish. Definitely going to be a good fish here. About the same size, I'm guessing. That's a bream. That is a horse of a bream. That is an absolute monster. That is like a 35 plus bream, which is a bloody decent bream by anyone's standards. For the Georges River, it's a good fish. He's just dogging it out at the moment, nothing really too special. Couple of nice little runs. Turned out to be a good little session in this wind. Heaps of wind today. Gonna go for the deck flip now. Little drag up. Good bream. Nice bream there, guys. Lovely fish. He'd be in the 30s. I'd say about 35 this fish. Just on that little 3.75 inch Zman flick bait, that streaks. It's in Redbone, that colour. Right in the corner of that jaw there. Just pop that lure out. Out it comes. There you go, that little streaks there. Lovely, lovely bream here. Pretty big for the area that I'm in. Back in the drink of the Georges River. Let's get it going again. There she goes. Now, I did not expect a fish of that quality here. So, really happy with that. Gonna keep on flicking around. That was the first cast in this spot, so hopefully we can get another one. We'll see how we go. That's an epic start. Oh, we're on. There we go. That's a flatty, that one. It's a flatty hit. Yeah, little flatty. Oh no, it's a little bream. Yeah, you love that, don't you? When you think it's a little flatty, it's a little bream bone. He's having a bit of a dig here. That's not even a bad little fish, you know. That is still a legal size bream. Just barely though. And he's pinned very nice. Bloody hell, he's pinned well. In that top of the jaw. Oh, got it out, but that was a good hook set. Probably just legal. Can't give him the nicest release, but he's back in the drink. That's all that matters. Thought that was a flatty by the way he hit it and ran, but there you go. Two bream. Shaping up to be a good session, I should say. This run up tide is looking good. Having a good little session. Couple more fish should be even better. I can't complain. Going good. Again! What's going on? Okay, this one I want to say it's a flatty, but I'm calling it a flatty, but don't take my word for it. I think this is a flatty. It's another Bream. This is crazy, guys. I'm a ripper of a little session here. It's even bigger than the last one. Not as big as the first one, though. He's about a 30. Having a little ripper of a session here, guys. There we go, he's out. Hook point is out. Good 30 odd centimetre Bream. Now straight back in the drink. Off he goes, guys. Having a ripper of a session on the Bream. Tap. Fish. Yep. Called the tap on it as well. No important. Yep. Sweet. I don't think I'm going to get him in. Look, it might be a Jew. Okay, look, okay. I think it's definitely a flatty.
Ooh, you Bream, mate.
Yeah. I think it's just a good flatty. Get the net, I'd say.
Nah, you learn it yourself, mate.
Where's my line? Oh yeah, good flatty. Stay down, buddy. About the same size as my first one.
Hang on all day. Whoa, there's a drop in it. Come on.
Look, he's a little bit bigger than my first one. Oh, actually it's about the same size, I'd say.
Just chilling in the shallow just there.
Good old flatty thumb. A lot of head shakes, I think it's another flatty. But there's a lot of head shakes, man. Maybe trevally. I'm feeling shit, eh? Can't see though. Oh, I got a head torch. Trevally. Yeah. Lovely. Don't know how much you can see on the GoPro, but it's a trevally. Got it around my neck at the moment, the GoPro. Turn your head, mate. Hook's out. Should be right.